slow down. Oh, come on. If we hurry, we can be home by tomorrow morning. We'll be heroes. You really think so? Sure. Look, there's Lou and me, guys. The heroes have come home. Welcome back, boys. You deserve medals. Yeah. Me, gosh. Did we do the right thing? Absolutely. There's nothing to worry about. Yeah! I stole the baby! I stole the baby! Yeah! That's my baby! Stop! Wait, come back! That's the stupid bird! Left! Ow! Brownies! Let's get out of here! Come on, Bingo! Ow!
Okay, that's how she's coming along. A little more up down here in the way of, and you can see from further back, and then we come back and just kind of show the area that we're working. And I'm kind of like reticent to change from the yellow, because once you change from the yellow on your palette, it's nice and pure right now, even with the dark kind of dirty. The water's not dirty. I like it this way for the time being, but it will require to be changed at some point. And just kind of let things happen. Bob Ross was so right about that. Just let things happen. And we love Bob Ross. He was very wonderful in the way that he kind of like soothed the souls of humanity, of people, of human beings that would do his work, And it's kind of like people say, oh, well, it's like Sears special kind of art. But actually, we're gonna depart from the yellow, and we're gonna get the thing wet, and then just kind of like reignite the blending quality of colors that are partially dried. The problem comes kind of similar to acrylic in this respect, which is sometimes they dry in such a way as it's very permanent in terms of what's already been absorbed on the paper. But like I say, no complaint. It's a property that has to be taken into consideration. That's all. Property of the medium. I think we'll say to be continued, because I don't want these. I'm going to do some short segments. I might even cut this up into short segments, because at some point you want people to see this stuff, and which means you have to make it more accessible and some of them shorter. To be continued.